Sit with your back straight. And just observe what are the thoughts this moment. Is my mind thinking about what happened during the day, or is my mind planning for evening? Just observe. And as the thoughts are passing, observe how your breath is. And also observe, are you tightening your shoulders, your neck? And how's your lower back? Observe. And bring your palms together for Krishnamacharya prayer. Shri Krishna Vagisha Yatishwarabhyam Samprapta Chakrankana Bhashyasaram Shrinut Narangendra Yatau Samarpitaswam Shri Krishna Madhyam Guruvaryamide Virodhe Kartike Mase Shatatara Krutodayam Yogacharyam Krishna Maryam Guruvaryamaham Bhaje Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi, Namaskaram. So I've made a couple of things list for whatever we need to be careful, few things. So after the practice, I'll just go through them. Your little bit of food, sleep, and like very small things. I thought I'll just remind you of those things. You may be doing all those things, but I'll just remind you. And we'll start with the practice. And today's practice, there's also a prone posture. So just be careful that if somebody has acidity, please don't do that posture. Okay. And also we are also using the sound her. So somebody has a heating body where like high acidity and all that, please don't do that sound her. Okay, because that is an activating sound. It's a Mahapranam, that's why. Okay, so let's start with the practice. Just before that, just do a scan of where are you, how is your body and your breath this time of the day. Okay, so I just want you to make it a habit before you start your practice. Where am I? How is my body? How is my breath? And which parts am I tightening? Every time I'm tightening my neck, shoulders, or my low back, observe. And again, towards the end of the practice, make it a habit to check where am I. Okay, so just keep your eyes closed and just check how are you feeling. And how is your breath flowing this moment? And let's take 3 fresh breaths. As you inhale, start your inhalation from the middle upper back. And as you exhale, bring your attention to the lower abdomen. Start drawing your abdomen in, lowering your chest at the same time. Inhale, expand your chest. Don't fill your chest, expand. And as you exhale, start drawing your abdomen in, and relaxing your chest. One more breath. And slowly open your eyes. So first you'll start your practice with extending your exhalation. Okay, so for that, what we'll do is we'll inhale, we'll keep both your palms on the lower abdomen. Okay, and inhale, and you'll chant Om, making your mouth in O shape. And observe the movement of the abdomen when you do that. Okay, we'll do that for 4 repetitions. Inhale. Pause and allow the inhale to happen. Chant. Inhale. It helps you reduce your anxiety. Okay. And I'm going to show you one more way of chanting, which will help you to sleep better. So before you go to your bed, if you can do this, it will help you to relax the mind. And the buzzing sound is going to calm the mind. It's called Brahmhari, a humming sound like a buzzing bee. So you're going to inhale and same way bring the palms on the abdomen and you're going to hum. Keeping your lips closer, but don't tighten or grip. But where your lower abdomen moves inside. Okay. So let's do that for 4 more breaths. This is before you go to bed. If you can do 12 breaths, it will help you to relax your entire body and calm you down. Okay, exhale completely before you start. Take an inhalation and hum. It also opens the air passages. One last time. Okay, watch the next one. So next one is where you inhale and you just chant, and it's like a detox breath, you know. You're going to say ha. No, just the sound first. We're just going to practice the sound, and I'm going to add one more movement to that. So keep your palms rested on your thighs and inhale. Ha. 3 more times. So this sound, it helps you empty the lower lobe of the lung and also helps with your digestive fire. Okay, so we are going to add one movement to this. You'll interlace your fingers and you'll take them up. Yeah, that's it. And chant. Inhale. As you take your in breath, you raise your arms up. And also lift your head up. So don't turn your palms outward, keep them inward. Yeah. Inhale, lift your head also a little along with your arms. Two more times. Okay, your breath will be slightly faster now. Allow the breath to settle down. Then we'll move to the next posture. So also observe with every movement how your breath is changing. Okay, watch Arvind for the next posture. So this is to open your chest and your diaphragm region. So inhale, raise your arms, lift your head also a little more. And chanting Om, lower your arms, lower your head. Okay. Inhale. So just open the entire front of the body. Start inhaling and raise your arms, lift your head up. Chant, come down. So don't take your palms behind your head. So just bring them on top of the head. That will help to open the chest region. Inhale. So when you're bringing your arms down, don't let your chest collapse. Okay, it's just your arms you're bringing down, remember. 3 more repetitions. If you need to take a breath in between, go ahead, take a breath. Just observe how your breath is, how your in-breath is. Observe. Okay, we'll move to lying down exercise. So just before you go, observe Arvind doing the lying down practice. Lie down, lie down. Hmm? Okay. Okay. Just let me know. So inhale, you'll open your arms to the shoulder level, palms open, and you're keeping at the shoulder level. Don't take it up, it will strain your neck. And keep your feet apart, knees apart. You're taking a good in-breath here, and exhale, you drop your knees to the other side. As you're exhaling, you'll move your knees to one side and head to the other side. So in lying down exercises, keep your eyes closed. And inhale in this posture. Exhale, you'll take the open palm and head to the other side. On inhale, you'll open. So you're opening your chest and your diaphragm region. Exhale, you'll close the movement. Inhale, open. And on the next inhale, bring your knees back and the head to the center. Okay, let's do it together. Lie down on your back. Lalita ma'am, if you want, you can do it on the bed if you're comfortable. And keep your arms to the shoulder level. Don't take them up. If taking your arms to the shoulder level is difficult, you can just keep your arms at the body level only. Okay, don't worry about taking your arms back. Inhale and exhale. Drop your knees to one side and take your head to the other side. On exhale. Inhale in this position and exhale. Take the opposite hand and also your head and close. Bring the one palm into the other palm. So it's like turning to one side. When you're sleeping, how you turn to one side, no? Like that. Yes, that's right. Inhale, open. But your knees are to one side, remember. Only the upper body you're opening. Exhale. And inhale, open. Twist your head and your arm again, open. Exhale. Bring your right palm into your left or the other way. Inhale, open. As you inhale, you're opening. And as you exhale, you're closing the movement and finishing your exhale. One last time. Inhale, open. Exhale. And on inhale, you open the arm and bring the knees to the center. Take a breath here. Take 2 breaths. Okay, now let's do the other side. Inhale and exhale, drop your knees to the other side. Inhale here and exhale, close the palms, moving along with your head. Inhale, open your arm and take your head to the other side. Exhale, inhale, open 2 more times at your pace. And on the next inhale, come back to the center. So next is the Apanasana, but slightly different version. Bring your arms to the sides of the body, next to the body. And on inhale, you'll take your arms back and fold your legs onto your abdomen. On inhale, you'll raise your arms back, fold them. And on exhale, you'll bring your palms onto your knees, drawing them closer to your chest. Inhale, you'll take your arms back. And exhale, draw your knees closer to your chest. You can keep your knees apart. And if 2 legs is difficult, you can do 1 knee at a time. Inhale, take your arms back. Exhale. Either you can chant Om and come closer, or nostril exhalation. This will help, this posture will help you to exhale better. One last time. Okay. And just stretch your legs out and lie down. Take a couple of breaths. Allow your breath to settle down. Okay, last posture. Roll over onto your abdomen. So if you have acidity or any abdominal issues, please don't roll over onto your abdomen. Okay, and elbows in line with the shoulder. Okay, and forehead on the floor. Feet apart, that way your lower body will be relaxed. This is to open the chest for better inhalation. So as you start inhaling, lift up, move up, and just look straight. Yeah. And as you start your exhale, move down onto one cheek. So your neck will be relaxed if you're coming down on one cheek. Inhale. One more time, he'll show you. Inhale, lift up. And onto the other side. This time, he'll rest to other cheek. And when you come down, just relax your shoulders. Let go of, yeah. Okay, let's try. Inhale and exhale, drawing your abdomen in and relax. When you come down, take a breath. Allow your shoulders to relax. Inhale. Observe how your inhalation is in this posture. Start exhaling, drawing from the abdomen in, and to cheek one side. Inhale. Start exhaling, coming down and relaxing your cheek to one side. One last time. Inhale and exhale to the other side. Take a breath in this position, relaxing your shoulders and neck. Okay, once your breath is normal, come to seated position. So the last pranayama, everyone's favorite, Sheetkari. So you lower your chin. So lower your chin and just watching. You'll sip your breath as you breathe in. Lift your head up and keeping your eyes closed. Humming, you lower your chin down. We'll do that for 6 repetitions. So make sure you pause after your in breath and you pause after your out breath. 6 breaths. So I'm going to chant Arogya Mantra. If you want, you can lie down or sit down and just breathe as you listen to the chant. It cleanses at every level, your prana, apana, vyana, your skin, all the karmendriyas, jnanendriyas and all that. So just tune into the chant and just be with your breath. Okay, sit comfortably. So the main intention is to cleanse each part. Remember that. Pranapana Vyanodana Samaname Shuddhyantan Jyotiraham Viraja Vipapma Bhuya Sagasvaha Vangmanaschakshushrotra Jihvagranaretu Buddhyakuti Sankalpame Shuddhyantan Jyotiraham Viraja Vipapma Bhuya Sagasvaha Shirah Panipada Parshva Prashtodara Janga Shishnopasta Payavomi Shuddhyantan Jyotiraham Viraja Vipapma Bhuya Sagasvaha Om Tvacharma Magum Sarudhiramedo Sthimajjami Shuddhyantan Jyotiraham Viraja Vipapma Bhuya Sagasvaha Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandhami Shuddhyantan Jyotiraham Viraja Vipapma Bhuya Sagasvaha Om Prithivyatejo Vayuvakashami Shuddhyantan Jyotiraham Viraja Vipapma Bhuya Sagasvaha Om Annamaya Pranamaya Manomaya Vijnanamaya Nandamaya Me Shuddhyantan Jyotiraham Viraja Vipapma Bhuya Sagasvaha Om Vividyai Swaha Om Ghashotkaya Swaha Om Uttishta Purusha Hari Lohita Pingalakshi Dehi Dehi Dada Paitami Shuddhyantan Pashyantan Jyotiraham Virajapi Atma Bhuya Sargaswaha Yogaswaha Slowly bring your awareness back into the room. Just bring your palms together. Rub them. Up your eyes. And relax. So, just a couple of things I wanted to give you guys as reminders. For your asana practice, like somebody who has a cold or something, do some steam inhalation and then start your practice. If your nostrils are blocked or with sinus or something like upper respiratory, do some steam inhalation and start with chanting. Start with your Ayur mantra, or if you're not comfortable Ayur mantra, just inhale, chant Om. Okay, that will help you to actually open your air passages and you'll be ready for your practice. And then do your little bit of standing where you open your arms and you do some lateral stretch, everything with the breath. First, make sure you exhale completely. Your exhalation is detox, which will help you to cleanse yourself. And your inhalation helps you to energize. Remember that. So with each exhale, you're cleaning your system. With each inhale, you're energizing your system. Okay. And you end your practice with little bit of lying down exercise. But if you're having cold or something, don't worry about lying down because you'll feel more heavy. So end with seated, just focusing on your throat, exhale. Or if you don't have cold or anything, you can just do Shitali with the humming or Om. And humming is good actually for your evening practice before you go to bed. Morning is, you can do your Om chanting, which will help you keep your day energetic. Okay. Any questions still here with your asana practice?
So, hi Padmaja, you mentioned that if we have acidity, we shouldn't do some particular exercise. Is there any reason behind it?
Yeah, see, acid is when it comes up, right? It pushes up.
Yeah.
So when you're pressing your abdomen, it might irritate the
again.
It might irritate and come up. So that's the reason I'm saying don't do lying down on your abdomen. Okay. Yeah. Other than that, you can do other exercises, the opening and all that, no, which will help you actually.
Okay.
And also Shitali will help to cool you down also. Okay.
Yeah.
And food, coming to food, all of you must be practicing pepper, ginger, turmeric, like everything you must be doing. Yeah, but be careful. Moderation is very, very important. Don't do everything on one day. So today, if you're using pepper and ginger, tomorrow use something else. Keep, like, in a week, make sure you get everything. Don't overdo anything. Remember, because a lot of people are coming with stomach pain and all that because of the increasing heat in the body. Because already our weather is hot now, and we are overdoing all these things. So be careful. Okay, not to overdo. Listen to your body. That's all we have to do. When you have eaten something spicy, how is my body feeling? How is my breath? If I'm overeating, how is my breath? Okay, so just be cautious with those things. And when you do your chanting, it will actually help you to exhale better. So the days you're feeling low, you don't have energy to do your asana pranayama, just sit down, chant. Okay, and not doing anything, just sitting quietly also is a wonderful activity.
Yeah.
Yeah, and before you go to your bed, shut down your screens at least 1 to 2 hours before that. Don't watch news and go to sleep immediately. Asato ma satkamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you.